Namaste. Welcome to day 21 of our 30-day Carnatic Revision Challenge based on Sangeeta Balapadam Book 1. Today's lesson, Geetham 8, Janaka Sudha. In this revision, we'll sing only the Sahidhyam in first and second speeds. If you would like to revise the swaras of all Geethams, check out my Geetham course. I have added the playlist link below. Let's begin. Sari ma pa dha sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa sari ma pa dha sa sa Janaka Sudha Kuja Kunkuma Pankita Lanjanu Re Bali Hajuje Kagavahana Kanji Nilaya Kajira Chakabuja Vikrama Kamita Valadayaka Karivarata Kalyana Devi Manokarure Karigirini Vasure Janaka Sudha Kuja Kunkuma Pankita Lanjaru Janaka Sudha Kuja Kunkuma Pankita Lanjanu Re Bali Garuje Kagavahana Kanji Puji Nilaya Karirachaka Bhuja Vikrama Kamita Valadayaka Karivarata Kalyana Devi Manokarure Karigirini Vasuje Janaka Sudha Kuja Kunkuma Pankita Lanjanu Re. That completes day 21, Geetham 8, Janaka Sudha. Tomorrow we'll move to day 22, Geetham 9. Keep practicing daily to strengthen your voice, rhythm and clarity. Comment where you are joining from and subscribe to continue your 30-day Carnatic journey. Thank you.